So this is the FLEXPAI, and it's running the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series. It's an octa-core, 2.8 gigahertz. Its dimension is 7.8 diagonal, which is kind of cool. The resolution goes all the way up to 1920 by 1440 with an aspect ratio of 4:3. RAM includes either 6 or 8 gig option, as well as the internal ROM is either 120 gig or 256 gig. It does support micro SDs, expandable up to 256 gig. And the camera, it's got a front-facing 16 megapixel and a rear-facing 20 megapixel. It's kind of cool. Plus, it's flexible.
So the technology's been under construction for over eight years now. The hardest part about creating the phone was making all the internal components as flexible and compatible with the screen. And the battery's flexible, the motherboard is flexible.
Wow.
The screen has no glass components whatsoever. It is OLED and has a plastic composition over it.
What's the lifespan of like?
Way cool.
So the average lifespan of a regular.
I know, that was crazy, right? Isn't technology fun? I love it. Hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below so that you can help support this channel, and tell your friends and family members about this channel. Also, if you want to be notified when we come up with a new clip, hit the notification button. It looks like a little bell, and supposedly Google will notify you. If not, just keep checking back.